How to knit a mock rib pattern. Mock rib is a simple variation of the standard rib stitch pattern. On our right side of the project, we'll knit all the stitches, and on the wrong side, we'll alternate between a knit stitch and a purl stitch. In the first row of the pattern, we'll knit all stitches. Then start our second row with one knit stitch. Followed by one purl stitch. Continue alternating between a knit stitch and a purl stitch until you reach the end of the row. Top tip: remember to move your working yarn to the back for each knit stitch and forwards for each purl stitch. You can now create a mock rib pattern.